Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Average variable cost questions look scary, but this one is quick if you separate fixed cost from variable cost, then compare the averages carefully. First, find the fixed cost from the table by looking at total cost when output is 0, because fixed cost stays the same no matter how many chairs get produced. Next, compute variable cost for each output level by subtracting that fixed cost from total cost, because total cost always splits into fixed cost plus variable cost. Then find average variable cost by dividing each variable cost by chairs produced, and the smallest value happens at 2 chairs, so option B wins. Well done! Option B, scan now. Avoid rushing past what is given. Trust the given table and check each step before choosing the minimum.